to speak on all three items and be given 3 minutes to do so. So your first speaker, Serena Nolan.
Good morning. Yes, and those three items deal with accounting numbers that you're getting for the from the Water Utilities Department. And I just wanted to ask you about the validity of the numbers that are coming from the Water Utilities Department. We have documented, going back 2 years, requests for the cost of fluoridating our water. In the 2 years, all we've received is a sum of $1.2 million for 2 years of fluoridation, the actual product. Now, that's the hydrofluorosilicic acid they're really willing to give you to get rid of, but we pay, which is fine, $1.2 million, which is $600,000 a year. This is, and I'm sorry, I'm looking at the audit statement that they do every year, Weaver and Tidwell, and we had a conference call with the Water Utilities Department, and they can't come up with any numbers for the cost of fluoridation, and some of the council members have asked what the cost is. And I find it staggering that a person, the city manager, the city water person, has no handle on the cost. Dallas is surrounded by water utilities that have stopped fluoridating the water because of their cost, because the hydrofluorisilicic acid eats through the concrete, eats through the steel, and so, but we're supposed to believe that Dallas spends $600,000 a year on fluoridation. Can I just throw a few numbers out from the Weaver and Tidwell audit? The supplies is $122 million and some change. The personnel in the Dallas Water Department is $167 million. The operation and maintenance is $164 million, and depreciation is $146 million. Now, when you have College Station and Brownwood saying that the cost of maintaining their equipment is just not worth what they're getting out of it, yet the Dallas Water Utilities tells us it's $600,000 to do this fluoridation. That is a dishonest number, disingenuous, or totally incompetent number. And I would like the City Council to address that. I just think, too, as you look, when we see...
That's your time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Your next speaker, Regina Ambergia. Ms. Ambergia also signed up to speak on items 9, 14, and 20.
Okay, I'm Regina Ambergia. Well, 9, for some reason, is already been decided, I guess. That was for, like, millions of dollars to go for Elm Fork, but it was actually for construction. Now, so number 14 is what I have more on. Elm Fork treatment plant is grossly insufficient. Dallas Water Utilities provided a memorandum on December 1st, 2023, and attachment A shows all the raw water fluoride levels and then the treated fluoride levels, and Elm Fork is one of them. Out of the 2 years that they supplied for you, 20 days, only 20 days in 2 years, was it at the optimum 0.7 parts per million. Okay, now Elm Fork in 2010, the City Council granted a $7 million contract for engineering services. This has progressively gone up, and this is item 14, to now, what you're talking about today is over $41 million for engineering services for Elm Fork Water Treatment Plant. Okay? What are we getting for that? Where is it itemized? And when you look at those raw and treated levels, not only 20 days was it at the optimum level, 81 days it was over the optimum level, and on 5/26/2023, it was at 0.92. Now, the judge just ruled in that federal EPA TSCA was that at 0.7 parts per million, it is proven from this trial that it causes harm. Wonder who was drinking water. Anybody drinking water on May the 26th in 2023 or reconstituting baby formula at 0.92? Okay? There's issues. You got this. You got this in the memorandum. It's attachment A from the water utilities. It's the raw levels and the finished levels. Not only that, 42 days the plant was closed. It wasn't even doing any recording of this. And then many other days, it doesn't make any sense at all, but the raw level of fluoride was higher than their treated level. It doesn't make any sense. Look at this, guys. This isn't working. It's not working. You're paying a lot of money for fluoridation. It's proven harmful. Just stop it, okay?